Vasant Panchami, also spelled Basant Panchami, is a Hindu spring festival. It is observed on the 5th day of the Indian traditional calendar month of Magha, which typically falls in the Gregorian months of January or February. The festival is celebrated in various ways depending on the region. Many revere Goddess Saraswati, the Hindu deity of learning, arts and music. She is celebrated with visits to her temples by playing music, as well as the day when parents sit down with their children, initiate them into writing letters of alphabet or study together. Its link with the god of love and its traditions have led some scholars to call it a Hindu form of Valentine's Day. Others wear yellow clothes and eat yellow rice to emulate the yellow mustard, sarso, flower fields, or play by flying kites. Vasant Panchami has a specific meaning. Vasant means spring and Panchami means the 5th day. Vasant Panchami falls on the 5th day of spring. Vasant Panchami is celebrated every year on the 5th day of the bright half of the Hindu lunisolar calendar month of Magha, which typically falls in late January or February. It is treated as the start of spring, though it is generally winter-like in northern India and more spring-like in central and western parts of India. The festival is particularly observed in the north, central and western parts by Hindus of India and in Nepal. It has been a historical tradition of Sikhs as well. On the island of Bali and the Hindus of Indonesia, it is known as Hari Raya Saraswati, Great Day of Saraswati. For many Hindus, Vasant Panchami is the festival dedicated to Goddess Saraswati, who is their ancient goddess of knowledge, language, music, and all arts. She is the wife of Brahma and she symbolizes creative energy and power in all its form, including longing and love, kama. The season and festival also reflects the agricultural fields which are ripening with yellow flowers of mustard crop, which Hindus associate with Saraswati's favorite color. People dress in yellow saris or shirts or accessories, share yellow colored snacks and sweets. Some add saffron to their rice, then eat yellow cooked rice as a part of an elaborate feast. Many families mark this day by sitting with babies and young children, encouraging their children to write their first words with their fingers. Some just study or create music together. In temples and educational institutions, statues of Saraswati are dressed in yellow and worshipped. Many educational institutions arrange special prayers or pujas in the morning to seek blessing of the goddess. Poetic and musical gatherings are held in some communities in reverence for Saraswati. In Nepal, Bihar, and eastern states of India such as West Bengal, Orissa, and Assam, people visit her temples and worship her, Saraswati Puja. In southern states such as Andhra Pradesh, the same day is called Shri Panchami, where Shri refers to her as another aspect of the one goddess Devi.